Commercial grade plastic has reinforced handles, bottom, and ribs for added strength and employee safety. Rounded corners for easy cleaning. Certified to Nsf standard for No. 2 food contact. Reinforced handles and bottom. Made of durable, commercial grade plastic with reinforced handles, bottom and ribs for added strength. The Rubbermaid commercial undivided bus box is constructed of heavy-duty, commercial-grade plastic. This utility box also has reinforced handles and bottom, as well as ribs, for extra strength. Featuring rounded corners for easy cleaning, the bus box is ideal for dishwashing, hotels, bars, and restaurants. Nsf Std. No. 2 certified and safe for commercial dishwashers. Top reviews from the United States. Rubbermaid Utility Box, FG334900GRAY, very strong. We needed something strong for our corner kitchen cabinets, and these Rubbermaid products work extremely well. They are very strong and sturdy. They are very easy to clean and large enough to fit into the cabinets we have in the corner. They allow us to better use the corner under the counter. We also keep one of these under the sinks in our house, so when we get the occasional drip from a sink or faucet, it is caught in the tub and doesn't ruin the cabinet. In the tub, we place all the standard things you keep under the cabinet, and if they leak, it is very easy to clean up. Great product Rubbermaid, thanks.